much different would your life look if you got paid every single time that you posted on YouTube? Like this video that made me almost $7,000, or this video that made me over $5,000, or all of these videos that made me thousands of dollars. In fact, in just the last year alone, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars simply by uploading videos on YouTube that only took me a few minutes to make because of some of the AI tools I'm going to share with you in this video. Because by the end of this video, you're gonna have a 4-step guide on how you can get monetized on YouTube as fast as humanly possible. Step number 1 is you need to figure out what stage of getting monetized on YouTube you're at. Either 1, you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, in which case your best case scenario is going to be uploading as many YouTube shorts as you can. No, not literally uploading hundreds of them a day, but uploading YouTube shorts to get subscribers as fast as possible, because it's by far the easiest way for you to be able to get more subscribers on YouTube. Or 2, you don't have over 4,000 watch hours. If you're in this camp, you need to make sure you're uploading at least 1 to 3 long form videos a week. Now, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have 4,000 watch hours, you need to be uploading both types of content. And what I would recommend that you do is start off posting 1 time a week with long form content, and then every other day you're not posting a long form video, you should be posting a YouTube short, at least 1 on those days. And then ideally what's going to happen is your long form content is going to begin to get traction, and then you can start to post more. Post 2 times a week, 3 times a week, and for some niches, you could even jack it up more than that. But this is just step number 1. The next thing that you need to make sure that you do is creating content on the right topics using AI tools to speed up this whole process. And one other thing I'm going to share with you in a little bit that's really important. But before I dive into all that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I'd literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I just created a free YouTube growth course so you can get at the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things like the best time to post, the best hashtags to use, and so much more. If you want to get monetized on YouTube, you need to make sure that you're doing it. And again, it's literally 100% free. Now, the second thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is you need to come up with 15 content ideas that people are interacting with for your specific niche. And there are essentially 2 different ways that you could do this. The first way that you could do this is literally coming over to ChatGPT and saying something along the lines of, I am making YouTube content about how to grow on YouTube. Give me 15 different things people will search for. And I'm going to fix content right here. And then what this is going to do is give me 15 different search terms that people might be searching for. Now, what I have to do is I have to make sure that I take these things and I double check them. For example, if we take how to grow on YouTube in 2024, we're going to come over here, we're going to type this in, and what this is going to show us is going to show us this video right here, 59,000 views, this video, 12,000 views, but more importantly, what we want to see are how many views per hour each of these videos are getting, because that's going to determine whether or not creating content on this exact topic is a good idea. We'll be able to see that if we click into the video, move me out of the way. So this topic right here is getting 3.7 views per hour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy all these. I'm going to open up a note, and I'm going to make note that 3.7 views per hour. Now, I'm going to look up how to go viral on YouTube is the next thing, but essentially you want to go through this list and you want to find ideas that are getting over 50 views per hour. If the ideas are not getting over 50 views per hour, it is a complete waste of time for you to even pursue them. So again, we're going to click in right here, move me out of the way. This is 20 views per hour, which is a lot better. And again, I'm going to go through, I'm going to note this down. You need to do this, and you need to come up with 15 things people are searching for or people are watching that is getting over 50 views per hour. On top of that, you could do it like this, or you could just look at your competitors' videos and see which one of their videos are doing the best. For example, Think Media is a competitor of mine. So what I'm going to do is come over to Think Media. We can come over to videos, and now this is going to show us which one of their videos are getting a high number of views per hour. Like this one right here, 95. What I'm going to be able to do is pause this, move me out of the way, over 100 views per hour, 139 views per hour, which means that this topic is absolutely amazing and something I should be creating content on. Now you get the point. You want to go through and you want to do this for your specific niche, and you should not stop until you have 15 video ideas that are getting over 50 views per hour. Because if you don't have that, what's going to end up happening is you're going to create content about topics nobody actually cares about, and it's going to destroy your reach, and it's going to basically make it impossible for you to get monetized on YouTube. But remember, there are still 2 other things that you need to make sure that you're doing, and this next thing is going to make this entire process really easy because we'll be leveraging AI. Okay, so I went ahead and found a different video idea. This video idea is getting 113 views per hour. How to beat the YouTube algorithm in 9 minutes. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this title, we're going to put title here, and we're going to now make a new title. And by the way, you're going to do this for all 15 videos. We're going to put new title, we're going to put this here. How to beat the new YouTube algorithm in 9 minutes. We want to make this better. How are we going to make this better? We're going to make it quicker. We're going to make it in 7 minutes, and we're going to put 2025 update. What that's going to do is make it more relevant for the viewer, and they're going to get results quicker. So obviously, they're going to now click on my video. Now what we need to do is go ahead and write out the script. But I don't want to write out the script because that would take me hours to do. Instead, I want to leverage AI. So the way that we're going to do that, we're going to come over to ChatGPT. We're going to open up O1. Now what I'm going to do here is put this prompt in here, and you could screenshot this so that you can use this also because it saves you a ton of time, but you might have to customize it a little bit for your specific niche. So this says, I need you to be an expert scriptwriter for YouTube with over 10 years experience. You need to have experience with talking head educational videos in the YouTube growth niche to maximize my reach. I'm creating a video about how to beat the YouTube algorithm in 7 minutes, a 2025 update, and I need you to write the script for me. I've attached my competitor's script. Please base my script off of theirs because it did really well, but just try to improve everything. Please make sure the script takes up 7 to 8 minutes, really hits on the pain points and solutions for my ideal audience. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over to this video. I'm going to click right here, scroll down, show transcript. We're going to toggle off the timestamps. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire transcript here. Now we're going to feed this into ChatGPT, and it is going to spit us out a really good script for this video. Now what you need to do is you need to go through and you need to do this for all of your different content ideas. And what this is going to guarantee is that 1, there's a large audience for the content you're creating, and 2, your content is going to be better than the content that already exists. Now all we need to do from here is if we scroll down, we'll see that this actually went ahead and did this. And what this does is tells me how long each part of this should take up so that I can expand on it. And what this does is makes it incredibly easy for us to make content on YouTube without spending that much time, and we're literally just creating a better version of what already exists by building on top of it because that's what the YouTube algorithm actually wants to see. Now here's where most people get hung up with this, and it's the reason that you will never get monetized on YouTube. Most people are trying to be way too original on YouTube, and that's not actually what the YouTube algorithm favors. Instead, what the YouTube algorithm is trying to do is exploit what already works. For example, in my niche, they know that people want to learn about how to go viral, how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get monetized, the best niches, and so much more. So guess what happens when somebody goes ahead and creates a video on that topic? They give that video views because if the video gets more watch time or higher clicks because it's more relevant, well, guess what? Then it means a lot more to that viewer. And then this is why the old videos don't get as many views as they used to. The new videos start to take over, and the cycle continues to repeat itself, which is why there's always a really big opportunity for small channels just like yours to get monetized on YouTube, no matter what niche you're in or how much competition there is. Now from here, your job is incredibly simple. You need to go through that list of 15 videos, you need to create all those videos, and then at the end of it, you want to take note of what worked and what didn't work. Whenever you find what worked, you need to keep doing more of it. If you see what didn't work, you could do one of two things. Either 1, you could try to adjust it and try to make it better, or 2, just completely abandon it and come up with a new idea. And if you keep doubling down like this is going to lead to getting monetized on YouTube as fast as humanly possible. But remember, if you want this to really be easy, you need to work with somebody that has already done this. The same way that I have gotten monetized on YouTube myself and have made hundreds of thousands of dollars every year that I've been able to do it simply from uploading to YouTube. But not only that, I helped this creator get over 600,000 subscribers, make a full-time living from YouTube, and I hope this creator do the same thing with only 300,000 subscribers. And guess what? Both of them did not have a lot of subscribers when we started working together. In fact, they barely had any subscribers at all. And that's exactly why I want to help you grow also. In fact, I want to tell you exactly what thumbnails to make, what titles to use. I want to help you script out your videos so that you could grow on YouTube way faster and ultimately get monetized as fast as possible. If that sounds interesting, well, please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.